Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I actually went ahead and picked up a set of these Volkswagen monster mats for the all new to me 2019 Volkswagen Mark 7 Golf TSI Comfortline model. That's correct. These are the original monster mats. They cost around $130 Canadian, around $127 and change or so, plus sales tax. I got a killer deal. I only paid $50 with zero sales tax because it was a private deal for these brand new, still sealed, unused Volkswagen monster mats with the actual Golf logo in silver color on them. So let's go ahead now and do an unboxing. So guys, here they are. They have this nice Golf logo on the front two mats of them. Okay, the back mats don't say Golf, just the front two ones do. All right, so it's a brand new, fully sealed unit. So we're gonna have to somehow rip it open. All right guys, so I've opened it up for you now here, okay? You can see here, this is actually a Mark 7 mat because it has the small, nice piece here. It's more towards the left-hand side of the actual mat rather than having the big long piece in the middle like the Mark 6 Golfs had. This only has the small piece on the left-hand side. So therefore, we know that this is for sure for a Mark 7 Golf. So guys, here are the mats with the actual wrapper off of them, the plastic wrapper. You see here, it says the part number right there and the Golf logo. Got some more material here attached to the hole here, okay? So we'll go ahead and take this off. And there it comes off. On the front it says, help maintain your good looks, monster mats, okay? By Volkswagen. The back we already saw it. And that's it. Put it off to the side here guys. Okay, and here's the actual mats. There's some clip here to help hang them up in the dealership parts department basically. I'll go ahead now and take these clips off this handle and cut off this rope here with a knife or scissors and go ahead and install them in the car. All right guys, I just finished taking off the actual handle and that piece. I used my flathead screwdriver for the handle piece and scissors just to cut this tie off here, okay? So what did I do? These pieces were together like this, right? Somehow I just stuck in my screwdriver in between the pieces and started to pop it off, you know, section by section. Some here, some down here. After popping all that off, this just came apart, and then in between the mats I had this part here. Both pieces came up first and this was left behind, so you just take this off afterwards. It was stuck in between the middle two mats here, and that was it. We're now ready for installation into the car. So guys, next up is actually installing them. Let's go ahead now and unlock the car, open the doors. We'll take out the old mats. So to take out the old mats, you just literally just take it out, but you have to pop these holders in for the mat clips, you see, and you just take it out. All right, one done, 4 more to go. All right, I'm now here guys on the passenger side. I've got the mat. I'm putting it in. I'm picking it up. Okay, it's in place. Let's pop in these clips here now. Push down very hard. Wonderful. Very wonderful guys. I love very much this Golf logo on the front two mats. It's absolutely fantastic and so bougie and very, very fancy. All right, and I put in now the driver's side one. You just put it in, snap these clips into place, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead now and do the passenger side one. All right guys, the rear ones now are in, the rear monster mats, and that's it. Our job is done and we're ready now to drive the car. There you have it guys, Volkswagen original monster mats installed on the all new to me 2019 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline 1.4 Turbo. So this did effectively the video. Please guys, show a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you guys on a future video.